Starting on the Suede interior. Starlight. She done pulled all the plastics out. Almost ready to pull the headliner. DVD player, all the controls up here, visors, A pillar, B pillar, C pillar, D pillar. I guess it's D pillar once it goes that far back. Handles, all the vents. We got that one light to pull out. We got all black Suede going in. Just bought a Starlight kit. Getting Suede. Sorry about the lawnmower, but get some more videos here soon. This wiring, you gotta pull it off. You gotta pull it loose from the top of it. You follow it down, goes down the pillar, plugs in right here, but it also runs across the dash, so there's no unhooking it. As far as it goes back there is a backlight. Unhook the speaker or the microphone. All the trim pieces satin black. Got black Suede for it. Part 1 done. Starlights next.